Hi everyone, happy Tuesday. Today's top tip is me showing you how I use some of my leftover bits of silver to create an organic shaped ring. So this is going to involve a lot of fire. First of all, you need a charcoal block. And you just need to file away a little channel for your bits and pieces of silver to sit inside. And as you can see, I'm just placing lots of bits in there and even silver dust that you've collected from piercing your metal. So it can all go on there, put loads of different pieces. And then you need to get your torch, preferably more than one torch. So I would find 2 torches would work quite well, as long as they're nice and full of gas and raring to go. As you can see, this is not really providing enough heat to really melt the metal very quickly. I could just wait and take quite a long time, or I could replace this heat with my big gun torch. Okay, obviously I've sped up the video just so that it doesn't take forever, so you can see the process without it taking all day. But this is a huge Cyrilyn torch and plumber's gas canister, and that just actually provides plenty of heat, makes the process really easy. And there you have it, nice piece of organic silver. Pop it in the pickle, and when you take it out, there might be bits of charcoal block just left on there. So all you do for that is just get some pumice powder and a toothbrush, an old one, and be careful with the pumice powder not to breathe it in, okay? But just give that a big scrub and you'll buff it right back. And then it'll be ready for you to give it a rinse and dry it. And then you can make your ring. Have fun, guys.